Let's take a look at Recipe Scavenger Hunt. Come over and click on the Google slide. You'll be prompted to make a copy. This allows you to make any edits that you need to make, and it also allows the students to work right in the Google slide. In Recipe Scavenger Hunt, students are looking at some recipes and they're dissecting them to figure out what food groups are being represented by the ingredients in those recipes. And this does a few things. This is a step in the direction toward using recipes. Some students probably have not done any cooking before and are not very familiar with recipes, so this is one step in that direction to help them get more familiar with that. It also helps them, as they're looking at recipes, think about how to put a healthful meal together. And that's something that they're going to need to do so they can make healthy choices. So in this activity, they're going to be looking for foods from these food groups. So they'll say list all fruits, they'll look at the recipes, and they will look for the fruits. So over here, they'll find pineapple. They can type right in here, pineapple. And if they find more as they're going, they can always add to it. But here, let's look at vegetables. So we've got tomatoes, we've got peppers, we've got onion. So we can just start typing some of those in. There are some questions on the bottom. What food group is missing from this snack? And what can you do to add this missing group? And so that's going to have them think a little bit about what did they not find as they were going through the recipes. The answer is that there is no dairy food in either of these recipes. And some ideas for what they can do is maybe get some shredded cheddar cheese, put that on the tortilla chips, maybe even make it into nachos and serve it with the salsa.
Thank you for watching this Nutrition from the Heart video. Please like and subscribe to see more.